Y'all see the scat, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Anyways, another quick video. So you see my last video, I basically took off the RT badge and I got this badge from Badge Redesign. And like I was saying, I felt like, you know, because it's just like a rubber piece, it's not like a plastic piece that you clip on. And I was a little concerned. I felt like it was gonna come off, but after, you know, actually putting it on here and trying to tug on it, it's actually on there real good. So it's not coming out. So basically, like I said, last video, put this on here and added the lights. Let me show y'all real quick, man. Y'all see it. Anyway, it's hot as shit. But I'm about to go to the shop because the guy actually put regular gold instead of reflective gold. So I'm gonna get that switched out. And you know, hopefully everything goes well, because then I actually put a picture of what it looks like at night with the flash on when I take the picture of it. So if, like I said, if everything goes well, that'd be on there. And also, if a lot of people was asking me about how the car sound, you know, because it's on E85 now, it's no longer on 91. I still run 91, but I mainly run E85. So basically the E85 gives it a different type of like sound. I think, to me personally, it's louder on 91. It's not quiet on E85, but it's just not as loud as it is on 91. So I'm gonna do a flyby video, because if you don't know, I got the resonators off and mids off, and it's on E85. I got a flyby video with mids off, resonators off, but that's on 91. So I'm gonna do another video for the people that was asking. It's gonna be a flyby video, car on E85, mids off, resonators off. But like I said, first thing I'm doing is going to the shop and get this switched out. And while I'm up there, I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna see if they can get it done. So definitely stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm getting that redone. And if everything goes as planned, if they're able to do this other thing for me, I'm gonna show y'all. But y'all gotta see that part at the end of the video after the flyby part. So I'm about to head to the shop and get this redone real quick. Go ahead and get y'all this little cold start, or shit, hot start. It's hot as fuck, but let's see, man. Shit. Oh, see, man, it's hot as shit. 106, man. Somebody's asking how many miles I got on my car. This is what does it say? 4,227 miles. But yeah, like I said, head to the shop, man. I get back at y'all when I get there. So you at the shop right now, man. Scat. So you have to tell, you can kind of tell, but not really. But yeah, it's not the right gold. So I'm about to switch that out real quick, man. Like I said, the other thing I was trying to get done, they're not able to do it today. So I'm gonna come back and do that another time. But like I said, I mainly just came up here to switch this out. The other stuff I was getting done would have been something extra, but yeah, stay tuned, man, for the flybys that's coming up next. So, yep. I see, man, it's a big difference, man.
Yeah.
Big difference. All right, man, y'all see a little dead street and a little mess of code, man. Anyway, I'm about to get y'all these test passes, sound passes, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, I'm gonna do 6 passes. I'm gonna do 3 in regular mode and then 3 in track mode. So it's gonna be like different speeds. So I'm gonna do like 45 on the first, 60 on the second, and like 75 plus on the last one. So like I said, E85 scat, mids off, resonators off. Just a quick flyby video so you see what it sounds like. Like I said, a lot of people been asking me, you know, is it loud? To me, it's a little bit quieter with the E85 versus 91. Not saying it's quiet at all, but just not as loud as it is on 91. So Y'all hear that thing. Y'all hear the scat, buddy. Y'all see it, boy. Cold. 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 Come on, bro. Cold. Whole joint reflecting. You see? Down low, though. All the way to the back. Easy. Now let me know. Let me know what y'all think of this front. I see it, man. Show y'all lights real quick. 90. Flashes on. Still see it. Easy, man. Easy.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me. Charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas. Pocket 96. 11 past 11.